Hello. Okay, good. Yes. Sorry about how should I say it? Yeah, about changing the stream time for wait, I need to listen to my BGM. I don't have BGM for you yet. One of these days I will. I'm not sharing this, am I? I am not. Okay, let me make this a bit softer, okay. Okay, good. Where are we? Yes. Shoot, I killed my train of thought. Wait, things are still very, very loud. I need to do like this and then do like, no, like if I make it, no, like then I can barely hear it. Like, I don't understand this. Okay, anyways. Hey, yeah, sorry about like changing the time for both this and the V Rising thing. Hey, I mean, I can make a lot of excuses. Okay, so I guess excuse number one is that, well, okay, yesterday I was actually going to sleep early, and then I realized that my Oshi is doing a singing stream, so I'm like, okay, I'm going to stay up, listen to her, and then I'm gonna play some video games after because why not? Because listening to or watching streams give me energy, because of course it does. And then okay, so I really enjoy watching the stream slash listening to it. And then I was like, okay, I after a stream I was going to play the video game, and then I realized that my teammates in the US were having a meeting, and I was like, okay, if they're meeting, then I might like they're online, then I might as well join them. And then I got trapped in the meeting, so I had to move the V Rising stream to today. Yeah, and then this programming thing, basically, I was going to have it like 3 hours ago, but then I basically woke up like early-ish today. Well, I mean, okay, so this programming stream, the time was not going to be like very, very well set, anyways. But so I woke up early-ish at like I don't know, like nine something, which is I guess surprising-ish. But anyways, yeah. So that was what happened, and then wait, let me actually just prompt the AI, and then we can keep chatting because I know the AI always takes a little bit. So yeah, maybe yes. Would you tell me what's going on at the constructions slash definitions level in a in trace.v? A I'm worried that we've picked up some technical debt of and or that certain things aren't stated as cleanly slash intuitively as they should, or aren't stated the way that I want, basically that I wanted. Yeah, for example, how should I say this? A For example, it seems like we've got quite a bit of we've got duplicate code between resume suspended program and a and resume with trace prefix and a also I don't know, also in the I forgot which lemma is it, but let me try to see if I can quickly find it. A This is extensionality. Let's find it, I guess. A let me see. Oh, wow, this thing is still broken. Yeah. A The left hand side program of a should maybe should be a definition. A and also I was a expecting the I was and also for stuff like this, I was maybe a thinking I don't know, intuitively, I don't know, a yeah, intuitively thinking the external call, a i.e. in the in left branch should been factored out a of the resume suspended program step dot dot dot. A anyways, I don't have a very clear line of sight on what's going on. So maybe let's say so maybe give me a overview first. Okay, good. So now where are we while AI is working and reading? Yeah, I mean, sorry, like this is okay. So I guess the format today is supposed that the AI will sometimes spend like 10ish minutes coding. I mean, right now it's just reading, so it's not gonna spend as long. But I will soon ask it to code, and it's gonna spend like 10-15 minutes, and we can chat while that's happening. Yeah. A so what was I saying? What was well, I should not be like this is distracting me a little bit, but do not have to be staring at this. I think. So yeah, what were we saying? Oh right. So yesterday, like last night, I got pulled into a meeting, and then so I had to move a stream, and then this morning I woke up early. I was like, okay, let's have some Taiwanese breakfast because that is very good. And then I had one of those traditional fan tuan, and I also had one of those like dropping or I guess lopping thing, and then the two together was like I don't know, like well over 1,000 calories. I'm almost completely sure. So I ate it and I just went back to sleep for a very very long time. And then there's that, yeah. And then I basically just kind of lazy around on the bed reading manga. But anyways, yes. Now where are we? Yeah. Let's actually try to figure out what the heck is going on here. A three different ew. Huh. Okay, yeah, the stars is clean because I hand wrote it. It's better be clean, yeah. But after that, what is going on? Yeah, this is fine. Oh, this is already bad, isn't it? Then, then why is this? Okay, this is fine, and this is fine, and then this is yeah, this is also fine, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. And then it stops before executing a matching function call. Yeah, makes sense. Yes. And then it trace two call sites. Resume suspended program ignores the packed input. That why is that true? A oh, that is worrying ish. Is it? Let me think. This ignores the packed input. Entire. This is it true? But if that's true, it's not even correct. Let me see. Resume suspended program. Does it? It cannot. It cannot do that. I don't think it can. I mean, if it actually does exactly that, then something is very strange. Hey, unless you do like continue from trace, but then if you continue from trace, you have to. What's this? You need to send in a suspended. Huh? That is that makes no sense, right? A suspension resumption only needs a trace. Why? But that is really strange, no? A a huh? Wait. This is actually just not correct then. If that's true, yeah, like semantically, this is just bad. Well, okay. I thought I would be able to just point at the AI, point the AI at something, and you'll prove it for me. But then, if the code is not even right, then something is very strange here. Yeah. But let's keep reading. So this is doing this, and then there's this, and then this is doing a left. Why is this a? Let me see. Assumes a trace as is local to huh? Okay, so there's something wrong here. Yeah. Okay, that's good. And then what's going on here? A that is fine. Yeah. And then about factoring an external call. stops before the next target call and resume. What is this? A what the heck's going on? Okay. So a conflates phone call request with trace resumption point. And then this is misleading them because in left it resumes to a suspended call and right, yeah, of course. So this is and then why is it able to do that? Let me see. Oh, right, because resume suspended program is really a yeah, maybe let me see. So resume suspended program should really be called on the a what is it called? A hmm oh a let me see. I think the original intention is to a or maybe I should say just say my original. Let me write on a separate notepad so I don't accidentally send it halfway through. So I wanted to say that I think my original intention is to call resume a suspended program after a what is it called? After appending the after first calling the external external subroutine and appending the external call results to the trace. It probably got a maybe that got lost. Maybe that intention got lost somewhere. Let me see. That is maybe one problem here. And then this resume with trace prefix then happens, and everything is very lost. Let me see. This was missing definition and then rebasing a let me see. Not until next call followed by resume with prefix. What's going on? Eh, so why don't we ignore the rest of the file after line 326 for a moment and first add the missing definition of the experiment of the following experiment. A what is it called? A of the experiment I had in mind. I don't know of the experiment I had in mind for the I had originally had in mind with the with the left hand side program of a what is this? A oh, so this is really, yeah, this would now make a lot more sense why that is a problem. A so resume suspended program, but then yeah, this is not used, which is really strange. A oh, but then this is, yeah, this is still wrong. Good to know. A okay. So you continue from trace, but then what does mean by continuing from trace, right? So continue from trace. It should give me a oh, because continue from trace should give me a what is it? A wait, that's strange. Hmm, let me see. So you have a program with input, but this there's no input here. That's very bad. A let me make more tea. Give me 1 second. Okay, the water is boiling, and I think you guys are starting to see the what is it called? The reason why I title my the stream today this way because I'm actually mad. I'm actually well. I mean, I'm not that mad, but yeah, this is bad. So let me see. So there are like mixed conventions, right? Because this is like I don't know if it should be taking this. I mean, it could, but a um a now I think about it though. A maybe continue from trace. Just a wait. Let me see. So this is, let's say what happens if this actually took input, right? If this took input, then this would give me a option row code. Is that right? A or maybe this is fine. I don't know. Let me think. No, P should be a what is it called? A the input the input P in continue from trace should take a what is it called? Hey, but that is really a oh, but no, that cannot, right? Because if it takes an input, then there is no good a no good place for that input. Hey, that's so strange. Hey, oh no no, this is fine. Yeah, this is fine. Hey, okay. Hey, okay. I my water just boiled, so let me make tea. Okay, good. So oh Magia, nice. Isekai Jojo. Okay. Very good. Yeah, I feel like because okay, so it's been how long already? I left the US at like I don't know, like so I haven't touched a piano in like almost 2 weeks, right? And it really feels like a long time. I feel like kind of. I mean, I was listening to like Kotoha's Utawaku yesterday, right? I mean, also earlier today because I need to be healed. Yeah, but from that, I feel like I've kind of just lost my, I don't know, lost touch with music basically. I mean, soon enough I will probably get it back, but yeah, I don't know. Yes, I mean, might be fine, right? I don't know. Maybe fine, maybe not. I feel like I don't know. Maybe it would just be a situation where I just don't play piano for maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 week, and then and then I just how should I put it? And then I just forgot how I just forget that I play the piano. Not just forget how to play, but forget the fact that I play piano, which would be why it is, right? I mean, maybe it's bound to happen sooner or later. So there's that. Yeah, by the end of the summer, I'm sure I would just, yeah, I would just forget about the fact that I knew how to play piano. And then we'll just be a normal programmer. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there's always this worry that maybe I will, forget. I might have said this already before as well, right? That maybe like I would just not stream for 1 week, for 2 week. I mean, maybe 1 day, 2 day, have a week, and then 1 week, 2 week, and then before I knew it, I forgot that I stream. Yeah, and then I would just become a normal research scientist or whatever. Hey, that is maybe, or I don't know. We worry about that sometime. Yeah, not today. We need to get work done. Well, it's Saturday, so I don't have to get work done. But just figure I haven't done a programming stream in such a long time. We might as well. Yeah. Okay. So with the left hand side program of a of what is called of a of this thing run until next call correct code link a in part that is a what's it again. Oh, but then I need some kind of I need some kind of like package and stuff. Let's fine, let's just do it anyways, yeah. So a what is it called a run a what is it called, what's it, run until next call correct code link. So there would be a run until next call, get a suspended program, and then a call the external thing, and then a ooh, yeah, and then resume, and then add the result to trace and resume from there. Does that even make sense to this? I feel like what it has in mind is just maybe incomparable with what I'm trying to do. So let's do this, or maybe let me see. Does that sounds like a I know this will probably lead to a big refactoring. A this will probably lead to quite a bit of refactoring as everything adjusts around it. But does it sound like a good what's it called, good strategy in general? A does the high level idea make sense? In terms of where we are heading? And then what is going on after that? This like factor calls. Yeah, I feel like this entire factor calls needs the okay. Yeah, okay, so let's say oh man, okay, yeah. A okay, so where are we? We were talking about something else. I don't know what else. a something something something. Yeah. Well, I mean, maybe not too bad. It's just, well, I guess one music thing that, okay, yeah, I think we, yeah, I don't know, because I also want to like actually, I mean, I want to get a tattoo sometime. I know I come from nowhere, but I mean, you guys are going to see anyways when I eventually get to play piano again, or maybe that's fine. I also want to make a personal web page. I feel like there's so much I want to do on the art side. Not that I'm good at any of it, but I need to do it. Yeah, and I mean, I'll probably try to get help as well, but there's that. Okay, yeah. Let me see. Missing definition. Then let's see if this makes sense. Okay, resume after. This is maybe not good. Why are like there's still so much like AI slop? Why do you have two of these? Why not just one? What is going on here? Why? Why? A take a suspended program and already compute result. Append this to a rebase trace and then what is this? But why? Why do you have two of these? Like, I feel like it's not even really doing what I'm asking it to do. But let's try to understand what the heck is going on here. Oh, wait, but this is Oh, resume suspended program itself is just off. Yeah. Let me see. Wait. The maybe we should have adjusted a resume suspended program itself instead. No, this a this ignoring uh fact input part just looks wrong. A it should just tag a trace. Yeah. Or maybe this just should not even exist to begin with. Yeah. So let me see. What is this? A wait. Yeah, this just makes no sense as a primitive because like it should just be this. Yeah, it's not you. Or maybe we should just get rid of it and say that the continue from trace is the right primitive. A here. Yeah, because otherwise this is just really strange looking, like terrible looking. What is like just write a code. Like where are you? Fine, okay. If you want to discuss, let's discuss because because I feel I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so a continue from trace is the a right primitive. Yeah. So now this is fine, and then resume search. This is wrong. Yeah. Okay. A you not mutate this into yeah. This just makes no sense. Yeah. Keep this and then just replace. What do you mean? From Patricia, no, this is garbage. And then introduce explicit answer the suspended call definition. What is this called? Ignoring a packing by resume suspended program, essentially scaffolding a something is very strange. Oh yeah, by the way, the last night's meeting was a definitely about like well, I shouldn't say definitely, but like a lot of it is actually about this. A well, so I guess my advisor and I finally got somewhat on the same page about what this project is doing. But there's just so many bugs that we are fixing right now. So there's that. What the heck is going on here? Let's see. So if one to okay, so this is obviously garbage, but I also don't know if it's telling me anything that is good. Yeah. So let's see. And then introduce explicit insert the suspended call definitions. Let me see. What is this? A well, first of all, it is already wait, code package. Is it doing the correct thing? Wait, why is it doing it all the way down here? What's this? Uh, is this even right? A this patching is this entire dispatching is just off. Yeah. Let me see. So we want to get rid of this entirely, and then we want to move this. I mean, if this makes sense at all, then this should be moved all the way up, like like I don't know, like maybe right up to like I don't know around here, because like a this is like uh headache. Yeah, what is this even? Like you want to manually dispatch that many, but then this is but then you cannot, right? Like this just makes no sense, right? Because this is wait no, you can, but you can do code from package, but you don't want to. You really don't want to. Hey, what is going on here? Like this is like AI slop, and that's why I am furious. I'm actually mad. Like what is this? Hey, okay, so what is going on here? Hey, okay, yeah, keep this, yes, and then replace or rename, resume. Hey, no, just get rid of this. This is like terrible. Hey, insert suspended call. What is this? Okay, insert suspended. Continue after. Okay, so what is this? This is like continue from trace. This is you continue from trace this, but then you are like, what is this, right? Or you need to like a you insert the suspended a what is this? So you need to run until next call external body, and then append the like what's this? I don't wait, I don't want to select this. I don't understand what's going on. I actually don't. I feel like a lot of this code is just bad now. Yeah. A let me see. Continue from trace. Insert suspended call. Let me think. Continue from trace, and then I feel like this entire thing is just AI slop. Okay. Let's try this again then. Uh, there's a uh, how about let's try to express my okay. Wait. So this is the correct. Also this is the correct experiment. Except we should not be doing this thing. A okay. Let's let's give. Okay. So you so let's give a so let's grab the attempt. Let's grab the attempt just now of a of this and this and this a and we build a and we try again without uh so how about maybe I should say this. So how about let's grab the attempt just now of this and retry without using a using resume suspended program. Let's just use a use what is the code directly. Let's just use continue from trace directly and place it a earlier in the file as well. A maybe just right after a I don't know. Wait, what is this? What's continue after call? Wait, this is like what's this thing? A continue after call is a maybe this already does something close to what I want. You want to do this, but then this is like co-entry. Wait, is this already what is co-entry? Oh no, it's not. This might not be doing what I already want. A I see that continue after call is doing something that's related, but also maybe not exactly quite what I want, right? Not exactly quite what I'm describing, right? A What about we put the new attempt around that area and comment out the rest of the file for now? Yeah, just so we actually have clean thing to work with because this is really headache. Yeah, okay, so I guess this is kind of like what happens when you do like vibe coding. Basically, you just produce like 700 lines of AI slop and then you just rewrite it again. Yeah. Wait, what? Can you after? Oh, can you after call? Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah. So it is reading the thing, right? Yeah. Okay. Is it commenting or is it literally just deleting? Okay, it's just commenting. Good. Hey, good. Perfect. I think. So what are we doing here? This is like what is this like very very long names? I feel like a lot of this is like a lot of this naming convention is not just naming convention. I feel like this entire story is just AI slop. Like I don't know. Okay, I mean I did promise to be mad. Right now I'm actually mad. So yeah. Actually, I wonder how much token do I have. I hope I don't run out. Yeah, actually, I always get. I don't know if confused is the right word, but I don't know like how long Cole has hair because like I feel like a lot of her like videos are like recorded I don't know how long ago, and then video editing and stuff. Yeah, because like her like what is it called other event thing, she has long hair like more recent events like her current tour, right? But then her recent videos like her hair seems shorter than that, so either she's like using some kind of like hair extension or whatever for her current like live tour or a lot of her recent video is just a what is it called? Yeah. Anyways, back to this a what's it called? Grab that and then replace this. Continue from trace version. Okay, so you have this. Let me see. So you have continue after call. A does it does it use continue after call? If it doesn't, then maybe we also don't need that. So what is this? Okay. So let's see. Let's hope this makes a little bit more sense, yeah? So what is going on here? A let's see what is going on here. A local trace. You want to unpack trace and continue from trace, but then you want to. Oh, so this is literally you are just calling. This is just a wrapper of that, which I feel like is really funny looking. I don't want it. A a is too thin of a wrapper around a let's just inline it and the name this is just too long. How about a what is it called? Run until next call and start and continue. A I don't know, just factor run call. Is this doing factoring one call? I think it is, right? A or just factor call is fine. Yeah. If this is what it think it is doing, if this is what we think it is doing, I think it is. A probably could have made this one change myself, but oh well. Okay, now this is looking slightly more reasonable. So now what? Now a oh, does this make sense? Let's see. A okay, does this look correct? Let's see. A so you have what? Why do you have both root and prog? This makes no sense. Yeah, why do you even have root? Why do you have both root and prog? This makes no. This actually makes no sense at all. Okay, so you start with some program, and then you this AI thing is actually making me furious. What is this? Eh, why? Why? It should not be. It really should not be why it is. Let me see. Okay. The API here is very very bad. I don't like it. Let me see. This is okay. Things are fine up to this point, I think. And then this is fine because there's only one program. And then this is really strange and bad. So what is this saying? If you okay, this is fine, yeah, but then the construction level I don't want. Yeah, maybe I should say for a vector call at the construction level, I don't want a both. I don't want to talk about both a root and prog. Let's have just one of them, and then a what is this? A for trace prefix. A maybe we can rename the current a vector call to a vector call aux, and then a and for the real vector call where the real vector call is a wrapper around vector call aux with trace a with empty trace a but I need to like what is it called a explain what do I mean here. Match this with prop. This is not a right now the current version semantic is very unclear. I don't understand what are you doing. Yeah, this is really I don't know. Okay, let me pour more water because this teacup is really small. Ah, good, yes, and song by covered by Mafu. That's also good. Yeah. Oh, it's been a year, longer than I thought. I mean, of course, like guy who's like surrounded by drama, but good singer. Okay, hey, what's going on here? Hey, okay. Now this part makes sense-ish. Now, how about this? Does this make sense? Let's see. So you want to? What is this? No, this makes no sense. Wait. Vector call AUX. What is this? Oh. Wait, no, this is even worse. Yeah. Hey, shoot. Okay, this is most certainly not what I want. Maybe a thing is so unclear because I also am not really describing it clearly enough. So let's think a little bit on what do I actually want here. Eh, I mean, I guess this would have to be it, but I don't like it. Like, I mean, I hate to see it. So let's see. Yeah, I think I hate to see it. Eh, let me think. Let me think. Like, this is really, really bad. Eh, okay, this is maybe not so good. Eh, I think what I wanted is actually factor cause multiple. Okay, so let me see. Factor call AUX is doing some stuff a that conceptually is owned by a currently commented out a the multi-core version of a so let's see. Maybe I regret the suggesting the current version. A can we get rid of both the current factor called AUX and let me see factor calls AUX factor call and a just bring back a factor calls AUX and factor calls in hopefully they're updated and more correct form, more sensible form, and hopefully an updated a more sensible form. Maybe this is good, maybe it's not. Let's find out. Yeah, this is yes. So we trying to like drink tea without eating tea leaf. Yeah, okay. I'm making more tea and also gonna use the restroom. I'll be right back. Hi, test mic. Okay, yeah. Hey, what was I saying? Yeah, I feel like I don't know. Like, I mean, I thought I was gonna be mad, but I feel like I'm starting to maybe remember that I cannot be mad for more than a certain amount of time because I'm just not very tired, and I feel like that is exactly why it is. So yeah, hey, let's just maybe I just go from here to here and listen this. I know I also just remember I promised to do Jatsudan when this is running a couple days ago. So maybe next time it's running I will. So you like for my notes. But let's actually see like what is going on here. I don't exactly know what is a this good. um a okay. So is this good? Let me see. So you do this, and that, and then you want to say let if it's zero, then you continue, and then you do this, yeah. Otherwise, you continue, and then you say that if this trace is sensible, then you well, first of all, this is just giving a empty thing, which is good, yeah. And then we want to say that a this vector cos is doing what it should, question mark. A is doing what it should. A so I have this, yeah. And then so I want to call from package. And then if I get some, you can fill a call from package, really? That's surprising. Well, maybe not so surprising, of course, because you can have pickling error. Sure. Okay, fine. So, and then you have local trace, and then you have a Let me see. You want to like wait. Local trace is you unpack local trace, and then you do factor co aux with you want to okay, yeah. So you pickle this. That is sensible. Okay. A Okay, great. I think I'm happy with this version. Or am I? I think I am, right? Eh, Much better than this at least, right? Yeah. I mean, this seems like I don't know. Wait, no. It maybe I'm not. Maybe I'm not at all. Eh, Let me see. It's close, but not quite, right? Because I want to say that if I had a program, then I want to say that a match the, let me see, run until the next call, and then if it were, oh, run until the next call of a function. Why is it not? Wait, this is actually much better than what we had before. A Run until the next call of the function. Oh, that's beautiful because you actually do the correct thing here, right? So you do, if this is this, then you do this, and then you do that. Yeah, okay. So this is great. Yeah, much better than the original, than the commented out version, especially with the use of what is it called, call from what is it, run until next call. Wait, but then this is use of this in the in the SQ prime branch, instead of doing another match proc dot. Okay. a Let's get rid of the commented the version inside the comment then. Would you also state the, let me see. Yeah, it's really funny because like I don't know, I feel like if I like a streamer or VTuber or whatever enough, then I would just like to hear him talk. But now I also don't think my voice is that good, so I don't know if this is actually providing any value. I maybe it's not. Oh well. Yeah. Anyway, so what am I doing? A Okay, so at the construction level, there's also compile calls, right? So what is the difference between this and compile calls? There's like literally no difference, right? Because compile calls is a is there a difference between this and this? There's not, right? Because this is already a there's no real difference between, is there? Wait, factor calls, the old version does not the old version still does not let me see. So this actually just gives me a oh, this gives me a row code A, but then I want to a this is close but not fully there, right? Because I still wanted to output some a maybe I'm not happy with this yet because I wanted to, or do I? Maybe I don't. Let me see. At some point, I want to output a, what is it called, a suspended version, but I don't know if I want it here. So if I just did continue from trace, no, like if I did run till next call, I will get the a what is it called, a suspended thing, right? Do I care? Maybe I do, right? A Let me see, or maybe I don't. A Let's see. the old vector calls outputs the suspended version, and outputs a suspended program, and the and compile calls appends the finish the after the first a q calls, and then a wait, there's no, oh yeah, q, yes, wait, q is there, yeah, okay, and the and compile calls a finish the program after that, right? a can we try that too? Depending on how bad it looks, I guess maybe it will look terrible. Actually, maybe let me just make a guess on how bad this looks before I how bad it will look before I suggest it, because maybe it will look terrible. If it's zero, then it will just output nothing. It will just output the thing itself, I think. And then if it is a one, then it will run until next call, which will give me a run until the next call, and then run until next call, and then just give me a trace, right? Yeah, it would run until next call, and then suspend the program, and then you will a well, oh no, it should not give me a suspended program, because suspended would imply that a wait, what is suspended? Suspended means that it gives me a packed oh, that is the pack trace, yeah. Let me see. So a oh no, this makes no sense, yeah. A let me see here. But this, yeah, this also makes not so much sense. Yeah, let me think. Yeah, I guess vibe coding is still like you still cannot give like unreasonable prompts, otherwise you get garbage, you get AI slop, because yeah, you cannot ask it for something that's not doable. Okay, so this is bad. So I want to say that you want to maybe I should say conceptually speaking, the old vector code outputs that, and this finishes a program after that. So a how should I say this? But then this is not compatible with this. So I wanted to. So what do I want to say? I want to say that the yeah, I don't know what do I want to say here. A instead of outputting this, maybe I should just be outputting a trace. Um, a I don't know what is the right thing to do here. A maybe outputting a suspended program as it is no longer makes sense. A maybe vector calls AUX should output a trace now. A should output just a trace T now. No, that makes even less sense, right? That makes no sense. Yeah. A yeah. So what should it do? Let me see. Like it makes very little sense, because it is a program, right? So if it is a program, then it should like a let me see. So it should give me a piece of code, like give me a trace. That is funny, but that's really strange, no? A so it outputs a let me see. So before before the external call, you want to output both a trace so far and also the input to external call. But now maybe you want to just output a let me see. This is really strange. Yeah. So okay. So run until next call. Actually give me a suspended program which is a right before the call. But then now I want to just output a just a pet trace type. Yeah. A yeah, maybe no longer makes sense. A would it be sensible to output a pet a raw code pet trace type instead? Caveat: a the pet trace type alone cannot wait. Really? Can you not? A pet trace type trace cursor only. Final value is a the trace point. Yeah, that should be fine. Yeah. Or you have a already finished a yeah, because this is kind of either yeah a yeah, I think that is maybe sensible. Yeah, okay. So a new mental model is okay. A it's not resume suspended program. It is a let me see. So factor call trace and then a really ignore yeah a okay a let me see. Let's go with the raw code a just packed trace t option len as in a don't a no need for a for plus a for now a and let's bring back a compile what is it called cost to len accordingly. Hey, maybe I'm excited, so I will do this, and then I'll be happy and hope it works, and hope I still have token, or maybe I should hope I run out of token because oh, good, we are gonna be here for a very long time. I was thinking that I would just burn all the tokens and go play V Rising, but I guess not. Yeah, we are just going to be here for a long time. Good. Yeah. I mean, the place I want to eat at dinner. I mean, I can either just skip dinner because I had like I don't know, like way too much calorie for breakfast. It's probably one like 1500 or something. Or I would just go to a place open until 11, or even until like sometime in the like past midnight. So I would just keep doing this, and depending on how much energy I have left by the end of this, I will either go eat between this and V Rising, or we'll just burn all our tokens and then we just go straight into V Rising. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, speaking of this, like streaming wise, well, okay, so I feel like streaming wise, first I should really make a personal web page, and then because well, I mean both streaming and research, because I guess good-ish news. I guess I've been encouraged to apply to like basically tenure track position instead of doing a postdoc, so I should do that. Which means I need a personal web page soon. Yeah, so that is there's that. And let me see. Why do we suddenly start talking about that? A I forgot. Like my train of thought is really bad now. Yeah. Why do we suddenly start talking about personal web page? I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, uh, I'm sure I will remember once I finish reading this. So it uses this and bring this back, and then trace returning search helper because the old run until a trace returning search helper because the old run until next huh factor called AUX. Wait, I should just what is this? I should just review like this, right? So what do? You did a next call trace result. A oh. That is a maybe a little bit of over engineering, I think. I don't exactly like it. A oh yeah, maybe I don't really like it. A let me see. Run until next call trace. AUX. Maybe I don't really like it. Yeah, I don't. A or maybe it's necessary evil. A why? No, this is I think a another shape I have in mind. A Konoha sounds amazing as always. Yeah, yeah. Oh, but years ago, actually, I wonder how fast does hair grow. Yeah, but anyways, back to this. A what is this? Trace returning a next call result a the next call times a return trace, but then you want to run until next call trace AUX. A wait, next call trace result. Oh, a no, this is maybe not what I want here. A maybe I don't like how this looks. Maybe I should just say yeah. Maybe I don't like the shape of a where you can where we have the Semteha where Semteha type that represents a before and after the external call. Let's keep them separate. So a so this a is exclusively used for before the call and a raw code uh means a after the call. It means after the external call. Yeah, it's AI slop. AI slop. I feel like at this point it might make sense for me to just like write the code myself. Like this is not hard code to write, and this is well, unless it's already making. Ew, why? This is scary looking. Why is it so scary looking? It should not be so scary looking. Why? What is going on here? A why is a so scary looking now. A I remember there was a version before where we didn't need a match proc with dot and we just did a what is it called, a run until next call. Is there a interface mismatch somewhere? Let's stop that from being doable. Oh, why? A oh. Wait, what? A let me see. Yeah, let's try to figure out what's going on here because this is just crazy. Well, it's left fix. That's actually crazy. Like, what is this? What is this? Like this. Okay, I'm actually mad now. It's AI stop at its finest. Okay, so hey, let me see. So run until next call trace. A wait. What is this? So you have a trace prefix, and then you want to say that okay, so you want to continue from trace. This give you a program. Otherwise, whatever. Yeah. Okay. So we have a program. Which is, let me see. And then you can just run until the next. What is this? A what is this? A need a trace returning search help. What is it talking about? I don't get it. A a okay, so how about this from the a in the how about this in the SQ branch? A what is it called? A okay, so a proc is equal to a continue from trace a up to error handling, and then what, and then I say run until next call proc. This gives me a it gives me packed I don't know, just X, and then a and then trace, and then I do what is it called, a should have call, right? And then a y is call from package X, or I don't know, external call, I don't know, call fnx, and then I do what, a output a I don't know, return a y call y, and then a trace. Or no, I cannot because I need to do the I need to do this again. A what is it? A I should say trace prime is equal to a what? A trace a call y, and then I do a return vector calls aux. What is it called? A root, and then a trace prime, and then what? Well, I don't know. Q minus one. A I don't know. Q prime plus one. A so this should just be Q prime, and then trace prime. Is this a incorrect? Is this semantically a does this not type check, or is semantically incorrect? Program ended before next call. Run until next call. A okay. Yeah, but you can match it. Okay. A in right case. Oh, you wait, no, but then you can just a let me see. What the early commutation case should a wait, what's going on here? So a if a program ends early, shouldn't I just literally just a let me see. So if I run, I get either in left or in right V. And if I get in right V, then I a in right V, are we not just done? We literally just return a in right V, shouldn't we just return trace prefix? No, no, wait. So if it does this, then what, right? So, oh, because it does shoot. You for real? Because you, oh, huh, because run until next call, it should either give you peg input or a, I see. So I need to, hmm, yeah. What if run until next call always give you a trace? Okay, so I see. So what if we change a run until next call? Well, it's still easy change to see. A run until next call. What is run until next call? Run until next call. If it's returned, then I return a yeah, maybe it should return a change a suspended program to a to this. Instead, that way, a what's called that way run until next call would give us a would always give us a good trace, and the issue will hopefully the mismatch would hopefully go away then. Ah, perfect. Now it's working. Good. Well, it's working. I will. Wait, how many times have I been like making tea out of this tea leaves? I feel like it's getting like thin. I need to like get new tea leaves because I need caffeine. Sorry, I should have said before stepping away. Yes, I was a I went there. I went to boil water. But yeah, I promised that's done. So wait, it is less fast. Okay, I think like proving things takes like much longer, so maybe that would be good. And then factor call AUX gives a cleaner shape. So let's see. Well, I mean now it's made like a million. Wait, it hasn't made that many changes. It basically just wait. Has it not? Oh no, it. Oh wow, this is for like how. Okay, and we haven't been spending tokens either, which is good. Okay, so a suspended. Oh, this is okay. Yeah, whatever. And then a good. Yeah, and then this is also good. And then what? Right? And then here I have a let me see. So you have this and then you run until next call and then status. Okay, and then you do a this part is sure whatever. Okay, and then you say you return and you just pack it again. Wait, do you even have a local trace? Oh, you do, yeah, okay, good. So you do this, yeah, perfect. And then otherwise you call from package. And of course you could get garbage. That makes sense. But then if not, if you are so what is it called as to not get garbage, then you could just. Is this just a set? You're just setting something. That is funny. Hey, do we care about this? Let me see. This is going to give me some raw code. So I run the raw code because of course I have to run the raw code, and then I do this. Sure, yeah. So this is a bind. Yeah, of course because you bind it. Okay, good. Yeah. And then factor calls is okay. Now you compile call, which is just you continue this, and then what's this? So you factor call, and then you say that you continue, and then you are good. Okay, good. So now we have a now hopefully we are finally reaching the point where we have the what is it called, where we spend a very long time a proving stuff. Good. A I don't know. Maybe I should just say a clean up a what is it called, trace compiler. It was also a meeting yesterday with my advisor that we decided this is a compiler, which makes sense. Yeah, a construction, and then co-authored by, of course, Codex. Okay, good. Now what do we do? Think the context is I don't know if I want to keep using someone. automatically compresses context, right? So do I just I guess we could just keep using the same one and hope the automatically compressed context is smart enough, and that this the thing is kind of, well, I don't know. Actually, maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. Maybe I should just not just open a new one. Well, let's actually start it just a little bit to see what do we have. So we have continue from trace, which is fine, and then pack input is fine, suspended program is fine, call from package is fine, yeah. And then a wait, shouldn't it just be resolved? Why is it? Why do we have this? A any reason why we have a PFN thing in a in code from package as opposed to just a as opposed to having only the inner match and kind of whatever happens in the, since I'm assuming the resolve already does the error checks that we have in mind, and even if, yeah, and even if not, we'll probably just we'll only call this on valid inputs anyways. I mean, the inner thing will probably just give me a if it's bad, it will probably just give me what is it called, a the no program or the no, which is fine, yeah. A now the question is, okay, so we still have coding, we still have compile calls. So I hope everything still checks out if I literally just, you know, just a hopefully the thing still builds. If it does, then I will just a if it just build, maybe I would just open a new thing and see if this is a well, okay. So I would just say that proof is admitted, and then I will a it's literally just this, right? Like nothing else has changed. And then I can just get rid of a okay, it still compiles. Perfect. Except oh, omitted period. Okay, good. And then I would just name it as a just compile course correct, yeah. And then I don't know if I need this. I don't think I do, yeah. In fact, I know I definitely don't. But yeah. And then I could get rid of both this and this, and also get rid of a well, maybe let's keep it just in case the AI needs it, even though it probably wouldn't. Okay, good. A so now I should say that a we've reworked the definitions in a the constructions from a trace of v recently, and or maybe I should just a just first add this to the current a commit. Okay, also make sure it builds before I send it to AI. Otherwise, it would not. Otherwise, invalid input gives me invalid output. garbage in, garbage out, and then we can get to finally just turn the chatting. Yes, finally have a chatting stream. Assuming that why is it touching this? Oh, because okay, sure, yeah, because of course it is. Okay, yeah. So, what are we saying? We're saying about some very nice things, I guess. Oh, right, actually, maybe not so nice. Okay, so like on the on that one, do I care? I don't, right? I mean, discrete Gaussian KL. Where is it? Probability KL. No, probability KL. Discrete Gaussian KL. And then where is it like print axioms? I need to get rid of this like this like okay. A good. I mean hopefully I mean it is still going to build, I'm sure. Okay, so yeah, I mean although I feel like there's like not too much to talk about. Okay, so for that stream actually I don't know if I also pushed that stream back. I hope I did not. But basically I think I did actually. So wait, did I? Eh, I think I did not, right? But yeah, anyway, so I don't remember. I actually don't. I think maybe I did. Anyways, yeah. So what happened was that ooh, was funny looking. How worried should I be? In custom pack type. Oh, because a how well I maybe I'm not too worried yet. I mean that is also that can be fixed in our day. Okay, I should just say that a and that invalidated the a lot of the proofs, the old proofs and constructions and proofs are commented out, and the main theorem is restated and omitted as a well, I might as well just say who cares, right? Just one extra line. Okay. Say would you help adapting the old proof so it a so the old analysis adapting or rewriting the old analysis so it works with the new definitions. Is that fine? Let me see. And then it is probably going to take 20 minutes, and then we'll be able to chat after that. Assuming it's like I don't know. Okay, so now where are we? Eh, um, yes. So basically, like Thursday, right? Like that the day I did Japanese studying. So basically, I don't know. I feel like if I say tell a story low, I feel like just be venting a lot because I feel like there's a lot of like funny or not so good things. But actually, what did I even eat on that day? I forgot. Eh, just wandering out there for like a long time. So basically, I make the poor this well, maybe not so poor decision, but anyways. So I basically got off work, right, and then I went back to the dorm to drop some stuff off, and then I basically put up the waiting room then, and I think if I remember correctly, or maybe I put it up right before I came back to a dorm, whatever dorm and the department is very close. And then I basically went out to grab. I mean, coming back to the dorm, drop stuff off was also, well, it's fine, yeah. And took a shower because why not? And then I went out to grab dinner. But then because I did that, so everything out there was like closed, if I remember correctly, or at least Nangang Station stuff was closed. I actually wanted to get like this like Korean tofu thing, but then basically was closed already. So and then I just went out there and just wandered for quite a bit, because I wasn't sure what to eat, and then I think I ended up having noodles. Oh yeah, yes, I ended up having noodles, and then I went back home. Oh, like while eating noodles, I was also like watching streams and or listening to streams. Oh, that was why. So yeah, I think I was late. Yeah, no, I just pushed the thing back because I wanted to finish listening to a stream. Yeah, I think that was what happened. So yeah, so I basically was watching streams while wandering out there, and then came back, and then I uh yeah, I had noodles. Sorry, I storytelling mode, really bad telling stories. But yeah, I basically walked from Nangang Station to Nangang Janangguan Station to a noodle place that is like open until very late. And I feel like today I might or might not end up eating there as well. I mean, depending on if we are done before like 11 or 10 p.m. Because I feel like, or I guess I just, there's also option of skipping dinner. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, water was boiling, or maybe it's cooling down again. So let me be a fussy collaborator, sure. Let me boil like water again and then see if I make another cup of tea. Yeah, okay, the water is now boiling again. Well, I basically try to what is it called? A making, what is it called? A Yeah, this is I have so much more tea in my office, but then I did not expect myself to be so productive here at the dorm, so I actually did not actually take a lot of tea back to the dorm. So right now I basically have just Gaoshan cha and also whatever the dorm has. And the Gaoshan cha is actually a one from like a family friend, a family friend, no, from oh yeah, family friend, yeah, that is a right way to say it. Yeah, so it is a actually very good Gaosen cha. Yeah, so a sorry, allergies. For my nose. Oh, the water is boiling. Let me I mean the kettle is make the whatever thing now, so I can go make tea. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. Hey, yes, I feel a million songs that I like. One of these days I will cover all of them, but I did not. And there's also this other like new manga like so it also has to do like partially do with music, and it was actually so I kind of just got hooked like immediately. Where is it? Is it not working? Like this is broken. I'm clicking this and it's not clicking, which is not like a not this. Yeah, if I just keep clicking, eventually it would give me the correct one, right? Or it does that, and then I never actually see a correct one. How do I? Let me try to find it. A where was it? Sorry, I didn't want to like share the entire list of random stuff I've been reading. Not this, not that. Is there a way to like do a history? There has to be, right? On this manga text. Oh, reading history. There we go. Yeah. So, oh yeah, this one. Yes. Yeah, this one, which is like also partially music themed, and it's a new one. I'm kind of looking for. I hope there's like more chapters, and then I'll eventually be able to read it. But anyways, yeah, that is besides the point. Now going back to this. Oh, except it's not done yet. It's probably not going to be done for a very long time. So we finally get to chat. Yeah, so there's that. There's also the new-ish chapter of the other manga that I said like a long time ago. I think I mentioned the like what is it called? The forgot the actual name of it. Wait, let me look again. Yes, the 1 minute. a Oh wow, the Koi also has a new chapter, but that is not the one I had in mind. There was this trying to find it right now. Yeah, I feel I've been like just oh this one, yeah, the Kimi ga Shinumate Koyoshitai. Yeah, yes, it's also a newish chapter. Well, I feel like it's not as new, but like translation is new, and I feel I've just not been following the oh, it's new. I really want to read it right now, and I mean it's free, so can I? I will at least click through it, right? Or maybe I should. Yeah, let me. This is. I hope I don't get in trouble by doing this. Uh, so, oh, food. Yeah, I was like, what about food? No, it's food. A wait, can I just make it bigger? No, like I cannot like. Is it only I can barely see anything? Can I display just one page only? Oh, that's not going to help. Can I? Can I zoom in? I don't know how to zoom in. Ah, whatever. Like a something about like a if you have the oh, it's like Shina was first saying to telling Mimi to put the hood on. Otherwise, if somebody see her, then what to do, right? And then yeah, yes, Tadaima, of course, and Okaili, of course, yeah, and then actually I don't know if I want to just like start. Let me just quickly click through this because I oh wow. Wait, no, like this. Wait, no, I should not because this I feel like I'm going to accidentally click into some like NSFW page and then like a panel and then I'll get my entire thing nukes. So I should not. Yeah, I really want to read it though. Like I should just okay. You know what? I will like between this stream and next one. I will like next one thing later today, the re-rising thing. I will read it in between, and then I will let you guys know what my thoughts. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay, good. Yeah, where are we? Hey, yes, manga. Uh, yeah, okay, so this is actually maybe the how I was expecting a stream to go. Like just issue a AI some command and then we just chat for like 20 minutes and then I do another AI command and then it's and then like 20 minutes later it give me more AI stuff. But it is what it is, right? Okay, so what were we saying? Yeah. So I've been reading a lot of manga. I haven't been playing as much of F14 as I thought I would be. Actually, I feel like I just haven't played anything in like so many days. Surprisingly, I like yeah, I really feel like I mean I've been too lazy to get. Wait, no, I have right the World of Warcraft thing. The that was actually the last time I played any game. I think it was the World of Warcraft trading post thing, which was what 5 days ago. Yeah. Been very productive. Yeah. What else do we? I feel like there's like so much to chat about. A yeah. So there's so much like decent food at Nangang Station. It's just the oh, I've been craving ramen. I've like the actual ramen, not the like instant ramen. Actually, I've been craving both. Now I think about it, like because there's this vending machine that sells like instant noodles, but then Taiwanese instant noodles, of course, also like actually taste much better than the ones that you can buy in the US. So I really want to like eat it one of these days. Maybe I could today. I don't know. But I also feel like going to Nangang Station, and the problem is the blood pressure thing, right? Like this is very very high sodium. I feel like if I like maybe it is going to what is it called? You guys are going to know my age if I say too much about this. But yeah, I feel like I'm going to get like worse blood pressure problem. What is doing? No, like is it trying to prove everything in one go? That is not what we hate to see it. Like the proof should not be this long. Like please use lemons. You're kidding. Please. This AI sloth is his finest. Okay, yeah. Okay, I don't know what did I expect, but yeah, whatever. Hey, well, I mean, maybe the previous. Actually, yeah, I'm curious. How bad was the previous version? I feel like no, the previous version was bad, but not this. I take it back. The previous version just equally bad. Oof. Okay, whatever. This is well, this is like the what is it called? The back to chatting. Let's not worry about AI slop for now. Like there's no end to this. So what are we talking about? Well, as long as the AI does not crash my stuff, because I remember that the last time it was trying to prove it, it actually crashed my thing because the it was running some very heavy F equal like this F equal thing, and then it just like OMD my entire setup, and it was like really bad. Yeah, but anyways, what we're talking about, we were talking about something that is like yeah, food. Yeah, I feel like I don't know. Like since I came back to Taiwan, there's just been so much like food cravings. I mean, recently it's been a little bit less, but yeah, I just want to eat everything. So there's that. What else have I been doing? Well, not so much video games, a lot of manga, and I feel like I mean being on campus every day, and also just like, well, I guess the funny thing is that I have quote unquote food craving, but then I also just been what is it called? Yeah, like a just so troublesome to go from a what is it called? A the dorm to well, so dorm is like well no, I'm just lazy because I work in school for health. I should just walk to a bus station, but then I'm sometimes too lazy to walk to a bus station and then walk to a and then take a bus to the train station. But yeah, also train station is so crowded, so the food court there is like even the food court food is really good, except it's just crowded. Okay, wow, so it's actually just done one shot. That's amazing. Wow. Okay, is approval much simpler? I mean, the files used to be like 700 lines long, and now it's like entire 100 lines shorter. So basically, just accumulator aware a replace this and then proof this and then compile course correct link and then it does the what's the difference between this and this? Is this just a strictly wait? How do you compare this and this? So you have this are both locations, and you have interface, and then you have what do we care about export? A function proc because you have a vector calls correct link. Okay, this thing looks very scary. What is this? A kind of want to refactor this. A you want to say that will pet trace and then a vector call aux and then a continue from let me see. What's this? Oh, this is a base case, isn't it? So you want to say let a do this. Is this what I actually want to see, like construction wise? Maybe. Well, first, make sure it doesn't change my construction. Okay, it did not. It literally just proves. Okay, so now it was doing a let me see, trace a okay. Let's see if there's any way to make it easier, even though the thing is already very nice. Okay, so this is wait, factor cos AUX. Why do I have this very funny looking factor cos AUX? Because I have because this is of course sum and then a well, this is fine, yeah. I mean, this is ugly looking, but I already accepted it earlier, so let's not change our mind right now. And then I wanted to say, okay, this is this, and then hmm, oh, this is Q, and then this is like, oh, so this is compile. This entire thing is compile. Okay, is it? I think it might be. A let's see what is compile calls. Compile calls is that I do factor calls and then continue from trace, and then a let me ask. Uh, is the left hand side program of a just compile calls, or what's the difference again? Not quite. Okay. For root is program. Oh, okay. So this is a more general form. Okay. Good. Very good. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. So now a this is really funny looking. A what is this saying? A what's this? This is a huge. This is very scary, you know. So this is like a hmm. A also a the proof the is kind of long and scary. A with this very large a run. A what is it called? Lemma looking thing. Lemma looking thing. A would you maybe break the proof down into a break a proof down into some named lemmas, into named lemma and their application, say where it makes sense. Cool, yeah. Oh wow, never heard the this. Oh wait, really? 1 year ago? I mean, I've heard of the song, but I never heard her cover. I mean, I of course I know about her. I also know about the song, but I did never knew this is. I never knew she covered this song. The what is it called? The version from a what is it called? A the first tag is so decent. I mean, I don't think I'm like hallucinating. I think this was in the first tag. Yeah, but this sounds so different from the first tag version. I also slightly regret asking AI to redo something that is already true. Like, I mean, I feel like it's just going to turn AI slop into more AI slop. So I don't know. Yeah. Oh well. Where are we? So Like, wait, it is actually just wait. Is this actually doing? I mean, I don't know. Who knows? Maybe I there's no a yeah a where are we? Yeah. So I guess right. Yeah, I feel like just I've been in the U.S. for like way too long, and then there's also like okay, so I don't know, like a very, very long time, actually, maybe not that long ago. Like my weight is always on the lower side, like lower end. But I also feel like partially it was because I was just, skipping meals and not being healthy. Because you need to because I was not so kind to myself. Eh, uh, but yeah, and then once I've gotten like slightly more I don't want to use the word healthy or whatever, stable or whatever. It's just like once I got more I don't know, once I figure out what to do with myself a little bit more, then I basically was giving me a little bit less, and then I can wait, and then and I feel like it might also just be I don't know an age thing. I don't know, like I don't know that I don't want to think it's age thing. Who knows? But yeah, like there's this weight issue and also this like blood pressure thing. So now I kind of want to eat ramen, but I'm also thinking I should not because there's like high fat and high sodium. But yeah, I don't know. Hey, what is this? A it's terrifying looking. I don't know if I wanted to ask it to give me a better proof because this is a can I feel like at some point I should just give up and just say, just commit this because I feel like at some point this is not like I don't know. I mean, maybe I should just be glad that it even does approve for me because I feel like this is already more than what I could ask for. So yeah, okay. Yeah. Once it does this thing, I'll delete this and I'll just commit, and then we'll just do like we'll just move on to the next task because we still have a lot of tokens and we should burn all of them before the reset because that is how it is for vibe program like vibe coding right now. You must burn all your tokens. A a who cares about this, right? So I will just get rid of this. I mean, all of this is old anyways. Outdated is the correct word, I think. Okay, so yeah. So now commit, I guess. Okay, so I need to do no ID tag, sure, whatever. A tag indeed. Okay, so what is it called? Fix a broken a compile course correct proof. Oh, a co-authored by Codex. A no reply OpenAI.com. Okay, good. So now what? Now we wanted to say that a perfect, yeah. A do I have a well, I mean the problem with coding is that I cannot exactly come up with a relational or logic thing, right? A unless I could, let me think. A okay, a let me see. I should say, okay, we've got, okay, we've worked on a compiler, a and have a correctness, a statement, a compiles course correct in a in trace.v. A would you write a the corresponding program logic rule in the maybe I should just say, would you state a the corresponding program logic rule in maybe a e.v, or maybe in the other e.v, a we should say, would you please state the corresponding program logic rule in maybe a e.v, a actually, is this fine or is this like too big? A maybe it's fine. Yeah, it's not too long yet. A and let me and look at the statement before we try proving it. A okay, maybe this is fine. Actually, yeah, I mean, although this part is also me being, I don't know, as lazy as I was before. Basically, this part maybe I should be also be able to just do it myself. But oh well, yeah. A there's that. Yes, quantifier scary. Yeah. Yes. So where are we? Yeah. So the goal is that we have one of things here, and then we also have the other one in the with the, what is it called, a the KO version is maybe the scarier thing. But let's first make sure that we get the exact version. We need both. Piano. I feel I've never just, huh? Oh, original. Okay then, I guess. Yeah, I feel like I probably would just, even if I forget about how I, even if I forget of the fact that I know how to play piano, I will always like how piano sounds, I think. Yeah. A yeah, same code input. Yeah, that is good. Yes. And then what was I saying? A yeah. Mm, boil some water. Yeah, I feel I'm like surprisingly hungry. So maybe I should have dinner after all. Maybe I should just like have like very little or no carb with my dinner. Just have like protein. A not sure below. I was thinking malatang, which I mean is also high sodium. I mean it's between that or I go to a convenience store and grab something that is less sodium, right? Yeah, I don't know. I will make the tea while figure this out. Well, I boil water. I cannot make tea yet. I'll just boil water. Okay, I'm back. Hey, I'm actually wondering a little bit, like, if keep starting new threads like this, will I be burning more token this way, or would I be burning more token by a like continuing a very long thread? I don't know. Yeah. Hmm. Guess the other. I don't know. Maybe the I don't know. I'm just maybe very surprised that this is even doable. Yeah. A yeah. There are a million things I need to. I mean, of course, right? A million things we need to do, but once as soon as we finish doing them, then we publish and we are very happy. I feel like my advisor is always very ambitious on where papers go. like really get submitted. Ooh, okay. Import issues, why not? A Let me see what we're doing here. A you are saying that a what's INPS is a oh, of course, yeah. And then you say that the outs are equal, and then you want to say compile code is the same as that, and then you want to do resolve. Okay, yeah, this makes sense. Good, perfect. Yeah, okay. The water is boiled, so now let me make tea while and we can go back to chatting. I'm surprised that this test is not instant, but give us more time to chat. Okay, good. Hey, maybe let's take a look at this first, and then we can chat. Question mark. Oh, but I can. We can also ask it to just do a proof. Yeah. Hey, let's see if this is fine before we ask it to do a proof. Yeah. So let me see. A natural precondition that two inputs and initial heaps are equal. Hey, okay. So this is yeah. Maybe I should just say perfect. Actually, maybe let me check. I like this. Do I like this? Let me see. I I think I like this, and I think I like this as well. And it also did not do anything suspicious. It just changes this, and then it does this. That is good. Yeah. Okay. So I can ask it to prove it. Yeah. Okay. So perfect. Hey, would you help fill in? I like the statement. Hey, would you fill in the proof then? Or would you please fill in the just be kind to AI? Spend one more token? Yes. Hey, where are we? Oh, the yes, good. Yeah, I'll get mesmerized again. Maybe I should not get mesmerized. I mean, or maybe maybe it's fine. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, where are we? Hey, hey, good. Hey, I mean, if this were not zero, then I mean, if I did not if I did not have this, then it should well, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, you. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Good. So where are we? I feel like now I'm getting hungry, so I'm just gonna be talking about food a lot, and kind of worry that I have the yeah. I feel like that is the problem. Like basically where I'm living this summer, like we don't have a kitchen, and because of that, like I feel like everything I it's very hard to avoid very high sodium food. Um, I'm actually wondering if I just drink plenty of water, if that's going to help. I hope so. Yeah. Hey, but anyways, where are we? Wait, is it actually proving the lemma? I mean, it would be good, yeah. Why not, right? So, what else were we talking about? View only lemma, sure, whatever. View style lemma, good. Uh, Math comp thing that I don't know how to work with, but I also should I spend energy chatting about more interesting things than math comp because this is the AI can do its thing and we can just watch AI do its thing, which is very good. Yeah. So we talk about dinner. Yeah, I feel like I don't know. There's like I don't know, around the okay, so I guess here's a funny thing. Like back when I used to work here, like years ago, the on campus food option was like always really, really bad. And right now it's gotten like I mean significantly better just because there's one very good place. But then because of that, that one very good place is has a very, very long line for lunch every day. So there's that. As for off campus, well, I mean, if you are happy with taking the bus to the nearest train station, which is not that long of a bus ride, like 15 minutes, then you have like also like good food, but then it's also super crowded. Also depend on how long are you willing to spend on lunch, right? I mean lunch break or whatever. Okay, good. So now do we have a okay, so a let me see. Okay, you have this, and then you have something. Oh, so it literally just unfolds the PR code. Okay, good. Why not, right? Okay, so a okay, so I'll just say add this rule. Yeah, add a compiler correctness, or maybe formulate a formalize compiler correctness as a program logic rule, or maybe I should just add, I don't know, yeah. Uh, this is like, I don't know. Maybe I should just say add a what is it called? A compiler correctness a rule. A yeah, maybe that's fine. Yeah, that's, and then no reply. Open AI. Good. Yeah. Okay. Good. Now the harder part. A a now what do I say? A perfect. Now the much harder part. A I want a similar a I want a similar rule for a in a what is it called, in in KL, which is a in for a I want a similar, I want a maybe Pi judgment version of the rule. A say the what's it called, a yeah, this is going to be a very very tall ask, but let's see what do we have anyways. So a let me see, how do I do this? Well, this is a let me see. Yeah, this is, well, might as well just try, right? So we want to say let a let's see. Mm, a what do I want to say here? I want to say that there are two subroutines. A two different subroutines. A one from a described given by to a given by the current, a one given by a the current a p prime, and the other one given by p double prime, a another similar one given by another one given similarly by a by p double prime. We want to say the p prime, the we want to say p prime dot a dot o or something. Yeah, maybe that's fine. Yeah, p prime dot o and p prime dot p double prime dot o are similar, are a satisfy a what is called satisfy type judgment with a with q is what is it called with l is equal to 1, then a or l is equal to 0. So s is one tuple, is single element, and the entire compilation, in which case the entire compilation would be this is very very a how should I let me think. Yeah, let's say a I need a co-invariant, right? So a let me see. Like I feel like this is very very scuffed, but there's that, right? Okay. A entire compilation will be of by I don't know. A in that case, in which case the oh listen, that's fine, yeah. A what was I saying? In that case, a proc and a compile proc will be a will satisfy high judgment with a oh with L is 0, with a with a q element s, a I like to have, yeah, have a pipe judgment just statement a without proof for now is fine. A say there are two different subroutines, a two different a subroutines a o, one given by, do we name it o or what do we name it? A yeah, o, two different subroutines o op6, one given by the as we have uh, as as we have right now, and the other one given similarly by this. We want to say this satisfy a so s is one element, in which case want to assume, in that case, in which case we want to conclude, in that case we want to conclude that a will satisfy this a okay. A does that sound reasonable at all? Okay, I don't know if it's actually going to a oh, I forgot to name the file, but let this file, yeah. I think it knows where to find the file anyways. Yeah. I mean, because I say Pipe Judgment, and yeah, I forgot the file, but you can find it. Yeah. Okay, so where are we? A okay, I feel like even with vibe coding, this is still taking like a lot of mental energy because, of course, like I feel like this is the kind of thing that, at least like as one of our postdocs says, like this is the kind of thing that you would not even try to do it. Like this is just like this is just like no, basically. But we are doing it because we have AI now, so we are just doing something that is traditionally considered like beyond reach. uh, Conventionally, shouldn't say traditionally, conventionally beyond reach. Yeah. But I mean, this is still mental load. Anyways, yeah. Maybe I should just either forget about the like sodium problem, just go have malatang, or a I don't know. Could also go to well no like this is 8 right, if it's 8 p.m. then it's Nangang station. Yeah, I feel like make basically as the exact mistake the other day where I basically went to I arrived at Nangang station at like 8:30 or something thinking the restaurant would still be open, but then the problem is that they basically stopped taking new like a yeah, and like I mean like they don't kick everyone out until like almost 10 or something, but basically the restaurant stops taking new people at like 8 something or something like that, like before 9. So I even if I go to Nangang station now, I would not be able to have food. So I would either have to go to some ramen shop that opens until much later, or I go to the night market. Speaking of that, I went to a night market and actually saw the Nvidia CEO like in person the other day. Everyone else was taking picture. It was crazy. Yeah, yeah, it's very very crowded because of that. Like a week ago or so. Yeah, and I was like thinking if I should even be taking pictures because everyone else was, or like crowd around him or something. But nah, I was there for food, so I just ate and came back. Yeah. Anyway, so what is this now? For all has, and then I want to say for all a oh let me see a okay, yeah, this makes sense. Okay, so differing packages only differ on one imported. Wait, what? So for all prime, if it has O, then wait, what? If this, what is this M? M is the oh yeah, okay. M is the middle thing. So it's saying that if okay, so M has this, but then it also has wait, what is O prime? I don't really get it. So you are saying that if M has O prime, then wait, what? Why do you need this side condition? I don't get it. You are saying that so differing packages only differ on the one imported subroutine being accounted for. Wait, differing packages only differ on the one imported subroutine being accounted. Oh, so you're saying that this has only this and there's nothing else inside? That is extraneous, I think. Yeah, I think this is extraneous. Let's get rid of it, right? Yeah, I think I can just get rid of it because like this is I don't see why it's trying to use it or how. Yeah, it makes no sense. Yeah. And now what? Now it is saying that a oh, I think it's because it wants to worry about recursive calls or but no, like there just no there's nonsense. Yeah. Okay, but each let me see. Okay, let me see. That is good, and also the precondition. I also want some kind of code invariant. Do I? Yeah, let's also have some add some extra code invariant here, which will be a Let me see. What do I want here? A Yeah, maybe it have some code invariant on just memory, right? Let me see. Or is that fine? How does co-invariant work anyways? A co-invariant basically wants to a let me think. Yeah, this is strange, right? Co-invariant should be A can call invariants only act on memory, or can it also act on the input and output? I think it's just on memory, right? Otherwise, yeah, no, like input output are different types, so it obviously cannot makes no sense. Okay, so a great a let's or maybe let me first ask the first question. A mm, I don't see why the for all prime side condition is necessary or a or true. A if we had the a if the p prime and p double prime differ have other different subroutines, that's anyways a and that's anyway the mismatch is anyways bounded by the assumed a by the assumed a path judgment, right? The or maybe a difference is anyways bounded by the assumed by the path judgment in the assumption. Yeah. Okay. A what is it trying to do? A what is this? Or imports with a singleton high free. No, that is even worse, right? What is going on here? Like, this is really dumb. Like, what is this? I'm just going to get rid of this. Yeah, and then I also say that a well, I can still ask it to make the other change that I want to. There are two changes, I think. A can I just stop it? I'm tempted to just stop it. Yeah, I'm just stop it. Yeah, this makes no sense. Just get rid of this and hope it still compiles. I mean, I hope so. At least a if not, then I can do something about it. Just like screw the AI. I mean, it's just how it is, right? Okay. So now how do I? Okay, good. So a epsilon is real, and then I want to say that a want this is not like just this, yeah, and then this is a like, this is just tuple this epsilon now, yeah, and then I wanted to say that this is a how do I a how do I do an uncopies of tuple? Let's find out. A matcom tuple and copies. It has to be like just repeat, right? A this is n tuple, but then I want to like construct a this bounded sequence of a wait, no, that is not what I want, right? A no, no, I don't want bounded sequence. A const tuple. Oh, is this what I want? No, that's not. A Okay, this is unsequenced tuple maybe. A or what's unsequenced? Unsequenced is this. Okay, so but then what does unsequenced give me? Unsequenced is a I mean this is exactly what it is, right? So I just do a unsequenced tuple. A wait, well, this gives me a gives me this. Yeah, okay. So a unsequenced tuple. A okay. So if I give this, then what's this? So I give it a number and then a wait, what? Untuple. Wait, this is just a type. So I need to actually. Can I just a a and then what? And then I can just do this. And then wait, how does nseq work? A and then wait, what's in sequence again? This is a type, right? Or is this value? No, this is a well. Okay, two. How about this? Okay, so this works. A but if I do like four, then it would not work because yeah. Okay, good to know. So I can just have a how big is this again? This is q tuple, q plus one tuple. A I think it's q tuple, right? A no, just unsequence, yeah. Unsequence q and then epsilon. Okay. So why not? Because this is a but no, like I was able to do this. So how about this? A and then what? A what's this? A it works, yeah. So if I did this, then this is going to give me let me see. This is so why are you not happy with this? This is a oh because this need to be plus one. Shoot, this is funny. This is funny in a terrible way. A um should I just like can you help fix the syntax error at can you help would you please fix my syntax error at python v a maybe it's some a how do I even I don't know a yeah I don't exactly immediately see how to fix this a Well, this is Q. So a let me see. Let's say we can uh let's say we are happy with assuming a what is it called? Q is greater than one, but greater than zero, but I don't know where to stay slash use it. I think it probably knows where is I probably should have given you a line number, but I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So where are we? Also need to after this. I also need to figure out the what's called a q plus one tuple. Oh, maybe I should just use L. Yeah, and then I can a well that is. Oh, maybe I should have just done q plus one in here, and then it will work. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Yeah. Uh, this is frustrating, but fine. Okay. So where were we? V-Rise. Well, wondering if I should push V-Rising to tomorrow. I feel I'm never going to actually beat Baron. Well, I guess depending on how like dinner goes, right? Eh, uh, and also how my manga reading goes. I mean, the things I'm reading just one chapter, so it should be fine. I guess also we've been programming for much longer than I thought we would because the token usage today have been slow, and that's fine. Yeah. Eh, be funny if like in 2 hours we still don't finish using our token and it refills again, and we just like stay here for like 5 more hours. Huh? Oh, you. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I need to stop this and then do this. Yeah, and then try this again. Save and then try this again. Yeah. A 225. 245. Yeah. Yeah, 245. Yes. Yeah. Wait, I could have just. If I just did this, would it have worked? Uh, you did not see anything. You did not. You see nothing. You saw nothing. You did not. No, you did not. You did not. uh, don't want to talk about it. Okay, good. So where are we? Okay, let's have a okay, maybe I would say, would you help add a co-invariant to the statement of a can I say myself? Maybe I can. Let me see. Would I be able to? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, so I want to say that a yeah, let's try this. So a I want to say the I don't know which argument should be. I don't know. Maybe just somewhere here we can yeah. I just do this. Yeah. Wait, I is yeah, okay. Yeah, I is not used. Maybe I'll just say I. I don't know. Like heap. Heap to maybe just pred heap is probably fine. Okay, yeah. And then I will say let a call well So first say that this is a call invariant meml. Okay, and then here I want to say that function a post, no, a what, no, out. I'll say what, let a y and then mem a out in a call invariant out, no, mem. Perfect. And then a I don't know, yeah, maybe this is fine. A do something here, right? So I have this, and then I will have a something like this. Yeah. I mean, I hope this. I mean, this. Who knows if this is provable, right? A this scares me a lot. This terrifies me. In fact. Hey, let me see. So we have this, and then what do we even? Um. Well, at least we have the AE version proven, right? Hey, assuming this even makes sense, does it? Let me see. So, well, first of all, this shouldn't be Q. This should be a L or something. I don't know, or like Q zero. Doesn't matter. It's whatever. Yeah. Okay, so we have this, and then we have compile. Yeah, we compile this many calls, and then we have a sure. Then what? Right? Let me see. A well, proof omitted. Why not? Okay. Don't know where to start. Maybe we'll never start if we don't. Yeah. A Well, yes, we can get the AI to start working on this well, and then we can chat a little bit more until the AI runs out of tokens, and then I go out, get my Mala account, and then we come back and then we play V Rising. Yeah. So what do I do? State Pi version. This can pretty like this is funny. Okay, so state Pi version of a of compilation a of what is it called, of a compile call rule. Okay, a oh, maybe. Okay, a co-authored by, of course, Codex as usual. What is going on here? Not okay. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so a okay, this is a how do I even say this? A so we have a, let's see, what do we even say here, right? A would you help work on the Python compile, or maybe I just type it here, yeah. Would you please help work on the PyCompile course rule? A we have a simpler version of a simple in py.v question mark. Wait, what? Oh, there we go. Wait, huh? Why is, oh, py.v a okay. A we have a simpler version. A in a ae.v a let me see. Oh, wind. Good. A compile course correct. A let me see. Which relies on the compile course correct theorem in a in trace.v. Maybe we can start by stating the a what is it called, the compiler property. So what you want, how you want to do it? I don't know. A oh, but no, like here we want to a maybe I don't fully know how to uh approach this one though. A I guess the funny thing is that this is like a maybe not the, yeah, here we want to a mm, I don't know. Maybe I don't 100% see how to go about it. A I don't maybe we can try, what is it called, a hey, I don't know, yeah, what's going on here, a try a what's called induction on Q and apply sequence rule. Hey, do I even have a sequence rule? If not, then that is another issue, right? Hey, oh, wait, no, we do have, where is it? Oh, order is wrong, but whatever. Hey, uh, probably a very complicated proof. Maybe for now, let's start with a with induction and Q imply this. A in that case, we'll need a this is, no, this is just really really bad. No matter how we go about it, right? A like how to even um here we first like do a induction and we reason about just one call. Like, okay, so we can either do induction and queue first, or we can just break this first into underlying compiler properties. But I don't know. Yeah, a compile, maybe we need to do a compile one call or something. I don't know. I don't. A let me see. This is, well, okay. So hypothetically, let's say we compile just one call, then what, right? Then we need a version that does compile just one call. want to do like vector just one call kind of thing. Hmm. Then what do we? Why are you not doing? Okay, yeah, maybe something like this is useful, but this is, yeah, this is really, really, really scuffed. Let me think. A Okay, so let's say if we had the a Okay, I don't know if the compiler has enough structure to get me what I want here. So a here I do have a I mean I have compile next call, right? So but then the problem is that what after compile next call, right? A Okay, yeah, so we probably want to do something with compile next call and say that this compile next call gives you a trace. A Okay, maybe let's do that. Yeah. Okay, let's say this. I want to prove a. I want to work on. I like to work on a. In Python. Yeah, maybe I just type it here. Okay. A. It will probably be a very long and complicated analysis law. A. Maybe a. I guess maybe the first step is a is induction on Q. A with that a we've got a do you think it will help to augment a compound next call a in trace.v to also output the current trace to also, I don't know, text slash output a the current trace and state a some kind of induction hypothesis in terms of that a I don't know, a conceptually, not like state, but well, I don't know, not like state, but what was the word? A and conceptually process question mark a not like state, but what's what I'm looking for here? A analyze, yeah. Well, state, I don't know, yeah. A yeah, I feel like it's a little bit surprising that like my brain is like that before I run out of tokens, which is I guess both good and bad. Yeah. I guess the other thing is that we've been doing like programming all day, and I know I should be working on the other project with academic writing as well, like pure theory project. But there's that, yeah. Anyways, yeah. And then I don't know, phrase. A I don't know, connect the dots. Uh, between that and the inductive case. Maybe I should just say that. Yeah. Hey, maybe instead of conceptually just somehow connect the dots between that and the between this compound next call, between this augmented compound next call and the inductive case. Yeah, let's see what does this give me. Yeah. Okay, so where are we? Okay, useful analog. Yeah. Yes. You. Oh, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You want to use sequence row. Eh, or at least I hope you don't. If you do this, but I'll be very very well. I mean, I hope it finds a sequence row. Eh, maybe I mean, it will say something, and I would remind it that there is sequence rule. Yeah. I mean, it's already reading, so it's like whatever. Okay. Already exists half hidden in there. Strengthen induction hypothesis compound case inductive case. Oh, it already found it. Good. Yeah. And then this is currently stated looks to possibly false. A after the first the left is oh you're right, yeah, it is actually right, yeah. A Phew, yeah, this is really, yeah, I think it's right. This rule is just not correct, yeah. A so we wanted to just link it with the what is it called, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, okay, so I want to link it with uh okay, yeah, that is fine. And then non-FN ports are not execute non-target operators. I see. Yeah, okay, that is good. Yeah, that is good. Yes. Okay, I see why I was worried about that now. Yes. Let me think. Um, right, because if you do a run until next, if you do run until next, no, you just skip. Yeah, okay. A okay. Would both of the issues go away if a what is it called? Whichever line it is. A let me see. Let me see. A so I do code link. Okay. Wait, what is this? So if I do compile code respect to this, and then I link with a okay, for real reason, of course, yeah. Okay, and then define this using a wait, what is this? Compile call from, let me see, a general helper around this. Not compile next. So likely path is compile calls from trace. a trace new and then oh okay, of course, yeah. That seems good, yeah. So compile, wait, let me think. Compile calls from trace. What is this? So compile calls from trace give you what? Oh, it gives you a okay, two questions. Would both of these issues go away if a what is called both of the unsoundness issue or I don't know correctness issue if the a yeah if I if on the if on the right side program I did compile calls with respect to a p double prime then a then code link with respect to p prime uh that is a replace p double prime with p prime on the on line 253 a good. I've got two questions then a with this a for this a compile calls from trace you have in mind is that a what's it called a currently and next a have compile a oh and then assumption that okay a let me see what is this a continue from trace and then no way what is this I know I saw it earlier but it's like scary looking thing a let me see a scary so it's like root prefix no wait huh this is like makes no sense right so refactor and I know we saw it earlier but I don't know where is it I know there's I mean it could very well just be exactly a thing I was mousing over but I just want to first a oh maybe it's exactly that a what was this a let me see. So you do this and then you what's this? A conceptually it is saying that you start with some kind of a wait, are you saying you first replay trace and then you what is this? Well, first of all, like what's the difference between this and wait what? So you are co-linking between this and what is this? Right? So this is saying that you are a vector cos AUX and O. So it might actually be that. What is this? So you a let's see. A line 377 to 382. A because you are taking this and then you are wait, what is this? So vector cos AUX basically takes a it first takes a trace prefix, it continues from trace, okay. So a so what was it? It would be a is that similar to a I don't know. Maybe I should just specify of a trace. No, it was not trace. Pyth dot v, and then a is that similar to the two lines a 377 to 382 of a of trace dot v. Okay, I need to pour more water. I'll be right back. Back, yeah, and I guess the other thing is that like this is summer vacation, so we've had so much visitors at the lab. This is really nice. As a lab at the lab I'm visiting, quote unquote visiting. It is the lab I used to work with, and yeah, okay. Oh, good. Okay, then a perfect. Would you do both? You please do both then. Good. Okay, this is fine, yeah. And then this is a let me see. The her codes are okay. And then non-FN are linked with, yeah, okay, that's good. And then you factor it out. Yes, yes, everything is good, yeah. Perfect. Except like I mean then this the compile codes from trace could just be a I guess then in that case there are probably like construction stuff that can be cleaned up further, right? Because then if you have like construct, let me see, if you have compile codes from, oh, it's already doing that. That is like so much better. Yeah, good. I think, well, we can see the diff after, yeah. But for now, let's what else is there to chat about? I feel like there's like so much to, well, yeah, I feel like one of these days I really should do like academic writing. Well, the thing about academic writing Streamlo is that like there's like so much unclear things like proof wise that I feel I would just have to like be very silent and just think a lot, or either that or maybe I just draw on the board and think out loud. Maybe that'll be fun as well. Yeah, so I basically went to Shinju right the other day, and it was a learned a lot and got tons of action items. Yeah, a so it's a diff, basically what I think it is. Ah, yes, this is perfect, and I'm surprised it did not break the proof. It just does this and it's fine. Yeah. Okay, and then okay, and then a great. So so what is this? Okay, so we have this, and then let me see. We have this, and then a define this, and then a proof this is successor decomposition theorem for a perfect. Now with things looking a little bit unsound and with slightly less technical depth too. What's next? A induction time or a or uh or stating some, or you've mentioned a some kind of what is called a for a currently at the next FN call. Do we want that first? Do we want to state that first? Okay, I still have Yeah, okay. At least now I'm finally burning tokens, which is good. Yeah. I mean, I don't know if I should be happy or unhappy about burning tokens. Yeah. Eh, um. Okay, and I guess I'm also a bit less mad now, which is good. I mean, okay, so where are we? We state the successor decom lemma first. Next coming base directly inside this, proving decomposition is terrifying. Okay, good. So now the next useful object is the strengthen object around this. Yeah, that seems reasonable. That seems very reasonable to be honest. Let me see. Material exact unfolding and call from package details. That is the key lemma, but for a real rule, you probably also want the version where you are not syntactically at a call yet. Finds the next call, gives you a local trace, and okay, yeah. So easy definitional lemma, okay, and then a call successor lemma. If this is this, then it unfolds one plus recursive call. Okay, and then general next call becomes lemma. If continue from trace is some proc, then hmm a maybe going top down is a I don't know. Maybe I should say that a would it be good to go top down? Maybe state and proof. Why not? The lemma in lemma in one uh in step one, but then for steps two and three we state without proof and and try to prove a state without proof a and state this lemma without proof and we try to first prove a step 4 up to the lemmas at 2 and 3. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, yes, let's chat because this is just why this. Yeah. So what was he saying? We are saying, well, huh? I guess the funny thing is that well, I guess if we have a very, very concrete goal, which is literally just this, then I can literally just prompt the AI until I either run out of token or a thing gets proven. So I feel like the rest of this is actually gonna be mostly downtime. So I need to think of some good conversation topics, or I should just go out and take a walk and be healthy. What have I been eating? I guess there's this Zhuchan. Well, okay. So here's the funny thing: the very very good place at on campus is the one with very very long line is Zhuchan, but it's not like the buffet style Zhuchan. It's the Taiwanese style. Basically means you kind of basically fill your plate slash bento box, and then you go to the talk to the what is it called the restaurant staff and then they tell you how much it cost. Yeah, so it's kind of like build your own lunchbox kind of thing. But then it turns out there's also some other places that does similar, like just right outside of campus, and those ones are better anyways. So yeah, there's that. And then so I just ended up just eating off campus anyways. There are also like some other nice places that there's Bafang Yunji, which is like good here and dumplings. 锅贴 and 水饺. Actually, I don't know. 锅贴 is like pasta cakes, right? Like basically like fried dumplings. Those very nice as well. Uh, wait, I run out of tea. I need to go make tea again. Sorry, like this is funny. I know. But yeah, I guess the other a funny. Oh, earlier I was halfway through chatting about something else, and then I got distracted by mentioning that I was a future job prospects and stuff, right? So yeah, what were we talking about back then? Like before I got like distracted and lost my train of thought. Is there like any chance that I can even recall it now? Let's see. So I was talking about basically that after graduate I might just come back here and work here forever. A Yeah, I think before that I was thinking about basically a oh wow, my kettle is done. You know what? Let me just make tea and then I come back and try to continue that train of thought. Yeah, so I guess maybe the what is called the train of thought was really like what do I want to do as a I don't know, as a streamer, as a person, as a scientist, as a whatever before I graduate. One is that I want a personal webpage, which means I should be building it sometime throughout next year. I also want to get a tattoo, on my forearm and my hand, which means you guys will obviously will clearly see when I play piano. That I also want to do like sometime next year, which means I need to start designing it. I mean, funny enough, like I've, well, maybe not, that's not the right term, but yeah, like, I feel like I've been having more thoughts about it since coming to, like, since having more time this summer, so that's good. I might even be able to get it at Taiwan before heading back to the US. If not, I really want to get it like sometime in the next school year. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, in terms of this, VTuber avatar like Live 2D, I think that will probably have to wait because thing is that like I feel like right now on grad student stipend, I actually now I'm curious, like what is the salary for the what is it called? Maybe I can just check, right? Researcher salary. A wait, what? That is No, no, that is not it. I That is not the not the correct thing. Wait, no, let's postdoc. Yeah, how much is the actual thing? Oh, maybe research fellow. Yeah, let's see. Eh, but let's math. Well, I mean, it's the same. I think all the departments are the same anyways. So that is a this is like this is per year, right? So that would be it's like 100or something like that per year. So that is like 100万，然后除以12，oh, that is slightly less than expected. I was kind of hoping that as soon as I graduate, I will be making 10 times as much. It seems like if I go into academia, that's not gonna happen. In fact, like this is like, I feel like if I go be a postdoc somewhere else, I could pay better than this. Oh well, but no, like I mean that is fine, right? Like Taiwanese say, things are cheap anyways. It would just be a bit unfortunate because if I make that, then I would never be able to get make my college tuition back. Yeah, I mean this is a math department, right? But I would expect that everything is yeah less math department. But I mean everything would be the pretty much was this average. Well, yeah. Oh, Well, I mean, up to 3 months. I mean, it's between this or I just like submit my resume to TSMC, right? Which is why it is, yeah. Well, I mean, I guess the other thing is like, what are my personal like career or whatever goals, right? And I feel like my priority is really just to be able to work with people I like on project I find interesting, and I feel like if I maybe fine, and I feel like in terms of like saving up or this or that. I mean, the thing is that even with less salary just that we were looking at just now, if I actually get accepted, that is, I mean, chances I won't because it's still quite competitive. But if I actually get accepted, then the nice thing is that that is still enough a disposable income for me to basically do a lot of stuff, like for example, a get tattoos and get live 2Ds and get a lot of other nice stuff. Well, I guess the other thing is that by then, who knows, maybe a streaming thing will take off and people will watch me and I get super chats. Would be nice, wouldn't it? Yeah, yeah. So yeah, okay. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. Like this kind of a downtime. Basically, we just chat a lot, and this just happens, and we are all good. Yeah. Maybe in fact, like I don't know, halfway through a week, we might even just do another programming stream. Now that we have some very concrete things to point the AI at, and then we just do. And I've actually think a little bit of stream and what to chat about, and then we just chat, and then we well waiting like 20 minutes for AI to do its thing. This is actually the original intention that we chat. Well, this uh does this stuff, yeah. But yeah, oh, there is also I don't know, maybe. So I guess this is a really funny thing that I think makes sense, right? Like a lot of VTubers I like Koha and Ina, like they talk about food a lot, probably because it's like one of the safest thing to talk about. But I mean, quote unquote safe, like until I don't know, like the food stories I have is part of it is also funny, like dietary restriction stories. I myself don't have any, but the visitors do. So it's like need to. Yeah, actually, I'm quite curious. I mean, the other day in when I did my Japanese study stream, you guys might have seen it in my chat GPT thing as well. Basically, like there is this like visitor who is a Muslim, and that is like very difficult to find nice places to eat with him because everything is has pork and nothing is halal basically around here. So it's like, what do you do, right? When you have a visitor who is a Muslim, I don't know. Yeah, actually, maybe I should ask the other Muslim person here because he would know. Yeah. Hmm. 10 minutes. Well, or just below 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah. So it expose the next real design issue. I don't have a unsoundness bug, right? So single trace induction is still too weak because this is that, but this post condition is unary. So it does not say the two return values are equal. Oh, huh. Wait, for real? Let me see. Oh, wait, what is going on here? Why can I not? So I will do this and close this, yeah. And then what is this? It does not say the next. Well, I'm glad that the thing is being very very nice in the sense that it is still telling me things I think I understand. So what is going on here? Uh, by the way, since I have like less than 30 left, maybe I can do just one more query and then I go eat. But let's see what's going on here. A if target cost supposed to strengthen the core with equality style relational postcondition somehow. A while the compile write trace advances using a YR. I feel like this is another funny thing, right? Let me see. So Pyth compile cost rule. A After one target call, the Pythagorean hypothesis compares resolved list versus resolved lat. Right, okay, yeah. but the post condition is unary. Let me think. Two return values are equal. Well, they are close, but they are not equal. So in the sequential proof, the left continuation follows YL, while the compile write trace advances using let me see. So the compile write trace events. Oh, huh. A Because wait, what is going on here? What is the sequence rule here? The sequence rule says I mean the sequence. I mean it's pipe sequence, so you just cannot the precondition. You just cannot say it's equal, right? Can you? A The precondition. Oh no, I mean the mid. The mid thing is a I mean the mid thing does not imply the thing being equal. So I let me see. A Are equal. I mean, right? They are not. They should not be equal, right? A So in the sequential proof, the left continuation follows this, while the compile right trace advances using that. If these two are different, then the shared trace prefix no longer describe both sides. A Strengthen the code rule with equality style relational. Okay, then the induction target use pair. Oh, this is going to be really, really bad. Okay, let's see. Induction targets use pair traces, one trace prefix for left and one for right. After the call recurs with call entry. Huh. Let's see. Oh, shoot, 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 shoot. Okay, I see. I see the problem now. My entire thing's just bad. That is not what I want to say. Okay, 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 okay. This is now incredibly bad now. Shoot. Let me think. Uh, this is not this statement. My bad. This statement of list isn't even what I want to begin with. Yeah, isn't even why. Or maybe I formalized the uh the statement badly, like poorly to begin with. A Let's fix that first. So I want to say what a with a with this rule. Uh, with this, I don't want to compare a program with a with its compiled version. Instead, I wanted to compare two compiled programs. So the right hand program, right hand, right or left hand? Let me see. So left hand program, left hand program shouldn't be just this. A It should be. Let me see. A It should be. It should match the right hand program exactly, except with a Online a 252 replaced by a p prime. Does that help at all? Does it help the analysis at all? Let's, yeah, this is bad. Like this entire situation is just terrible. Eh, oh, I'm sad. I'm actually sad. Like so sad. Uh, wait. Why do you have resolve still? A wait. So I don't want to wait. Why is co-link? Because I because this is yeah. A wait. But then why is this? No, no. This is a wait. Is it right? So I wanted to wait. What's compile cost? Compile cost is a wait. Is this the one I think want? Compile cost is a wait a moment. So I wanted to a does not remove the need for pair traces. Yeah. Okay. A okay, then let me see. Maybe one more thing to clean up then. One more cleanup we can do being that a compile code. I don't know if I don't think we need to talk about P at all, right? A wait, right? Because this is what am I calling? I'm calling the subroutine. Wait, I'm calling subroutine fn, so I don't need p or a and maybe one more clean up lane before we go back to the proof. A we actually don't need a p or o, do we? A because a p dot o might as well be just any arbitrary program raw code. Uh, yeah. In fact, do I have the same issue here with AE? Maybe I do. Yeah, I do. This is a what is it called? Yeah, this is I also don't need this. I need at some point I need to fix the bad thing over in the what is it called in AE as well. Yeah, but that is maybe fine for now. Okay, and then it's generalized now. A choice type or choice type, of course. Yeah. A oh, Hassan covers of Murasaki Sion. Very nice. A let me see. Input type is now. Oh. Wait, do we care? A do I care that the input is unit? A let me see. What is this? A oh wait, but then this is like a I feel like it is the shape is going to be going to be a little bit funny if we did that, right? Because everything is, or maybe this is fine. I feel like it's probably fine. Yeah. Or at least like, I don't know. Just like say let a to do get rid of a p.o and replace with just a proc raw code. 80 columns. Yeah, 80 columns. Way below. Yeah. A Yes, I have a kohai who do not believe in 80 column lines. And I don't know. Maybe I'm just ancient, or maybe he's just haven't seen the. Anyways, yeah. Okay, good. So now okay, so now perfect. Now maybe let's give the induction on Q I don't know, step 4. Earlier step 4, a induction on Q, another shot then. Yeah, a maybe it's just going to bring me to like below 20 and then I'll just go it. Yeah, a I feel like there's like so much piano cover that I want to make, but I mean it's always the case, right? A But I feel like I would not be able to touch piano. I mean, of course, obviously I would not be able to touch piano until like basically like late August. Which means like the next time. Okay, so the next one is probably still Kimi no Shiranai Monogatari, and I probably need like 2 more months to do that. So I would say maybe I don't know, like anything before it. Hopefully, anything like November or whatever is maybe the the plan there. It's gonna be difficult though, but yeah, I feel like the thing is that there's like a lot of the I still don't have a final part down. Like I still don't know the chord and the melody, and yeah, like I just don't have that part memorized basically. And for earlier part, I feel like it will still take like way too much grinding to get the what is it called? Oh, speaking of that, the real semantic reason why a know the post condition of a okay, yeah, a the induction new knowledge. And usually some relation between this and this, but then Alex core are related. But then a yeah, okay, yes, we do. But the a continuation proof will need a continuation proof needs a relational mid condition. A let me see. Continuation proof needs a okay, so then this is close, and then this and this may differ, so it make a different inputs. In that case, we are just very very bad, right? Is it true? A strengthen the rule before proving it. A one called judgment for arbitrary related. Wait. Oh. Wait, what? A the one called judgment. A what is this? This? I want to. Oh, but then this is like only on the same input do you have that guarantee. Let me see. Relational co-invariant, but the pipe judgments only has a oh restrict this so target code output cannot influence future target. Wait, what? A restrict the program so target code outputs cannot influence future target. No, that's definitely not. Yeah, that's definitely not it. Okay, so a let me see. A okay, so we have this, but then the let me see. The the problem is now the post condition of a one core hypothesis. You have the okay, that's unary, yeah. So after the first target call, the left side may hmm a let me see. For a second call, the induction would need to know things like a hmm. So you want this, yes. So you want to say this, but then the continuation proof needs a relational mid condition. What do you mean? But the continuous wait, first of all, like what have you done so far? Well, so far this is clean up question mark. So far I mean this is fine, and then this is a fine I guess. A I don't know. A try fixing a Python compile rule statement. Why is it not like okay? Can I spell this correctly? Okay, and then what is this, right? Let me see. I feel like there's like some. It's either a theory problem or I mean, it's probably theory problem. Let me see. So yeah, what is going on here, right? Mm, so I have a code invariant here because of course I do. I mean here, yeah. Wait, what? Okay, I have code invariant here. Yeah, okay. Then a after a first target call, left side might give me this and that. For a second call, the induction would need to know things like a wait what? So I want to say what? I want to say after I compile a right, what do I have after I compile, right? So a I don't okay, so a I mean intuitively speaking, this is so after the first call, I have a well a okay. So after the first call, I have the what is it? Well, okay. So let's think about it. Let's think of it in induction case. Base case is true. Okay. So if base case is true, then now we are compiling two calls instead of one. Then what happens? We are compiling two calls except for one. So the tail is definitely the tail is different by KL. Assuming what the tail is different by KL. Assuming the inputs are assuming inputs match, which they don't. Shoot. Yeah, because the inputs don't match. Now you got nothing, right? Unless I don't require. Well, yeah, right. So I cannot prove this, right? Hmm. Yeah, I cannot prove that. So what if on the Pythagorean thing we just have, well, the thing is, say if I only assume the coinvariants are, no, wait, no, like I don't, how should I, eh, yeah, there's something very strange with this like memory handling. So because of course they don't have to start with the same memory. Conceptually, they just have to start with similar memory. But then it's like, what does it mean for like what similar means here, right? So let's see. I mean, things are like quote unquote diagonal, but this is very strange. How does this look? A so this is a this does not require them to be okay. So what if my co-invariant is literally just the what is it called? A um no, but if the left and right programs start with totally different memory, I cannot expect them to be the same, right? Or wait, no, I cannot. Of course, I cannot because then output will be very, very far. So I have to um. Okay, maybe let's call it a day so I can think about this on the way to a to grab dinner because this seems like a difficult issue, and I will. The ideal scenario is that I will be back playing V Rising before the before the end of the day, yeah, just stay up late playing V Rising kind of stuff, but we don't know for sure. Hey, I will see you guys sometime. V Rising either tonight or some other time. Yeah, thank you.